Another cow near the jungle edge. This pattern is getting worse.
Team, gear up. We have a giant python near livestock.
Let's move before the python strikes again.
That python last month nearly took my boot.
Yeah. Good thing the medic was quick.
Just be ready for this one. Looks bigger.
This cow knows something is wrong. If the python strikes, this signal will guide us straight in.
Heart rate is rising. Something is stressing that cow.
Python strike! Move now!
Hold on, girl, we're coming! Stay with us, girl. Keep breathing.
Do not let that coil tighten again.
Heartbeat is weak but steady. Good girl, you made it.
We relocate this python.
No killing. This forest still needs its hunter.
You are safe now. Let's get you home.
Wrong place, wrong prey. But you still belong to this forest. Rescue is not about killing the hunter. It is about learning how to live beside the wild.